Hello everyone, Govind this side. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you how can you create a progress chart using a Treemap visual in Power BI. So suppose this is my total sales and I'll keep some static budget target. So I will visualize like how much I have achieved and how much amount I have to achieve. So without further ado, let's create a measure. I'm naming this measure as left. I'm declaring a variable called target. So let's take any target value. So my current sales value is about 11 crores. So let's take a target of 15 crores and then I can return target minus sales. Now commit to the measure and from here select Treemap, place it properly and select your total sales and amount left measure, and you can play with the formatting. You can turn off the title and you can turn on the data labels so that you can visualize how much amount is left. Yeah, you can play with the colors as well. So suppose for sales I'm taking dark color, and for amount left I am taking some lighter colors. So yeah, this is my progress chart using a Treemap where I can visualize like I have achieved 1110 million out of total target and 40.19 million is yet to be achieved. So yeah, this is all about this video. Thank you for your time.